Students, our next topic is estimation. First, estimating to the nearest tens by rounding off. Suppose round this number to the nearest tens. Here how many zeros in tens? 1 0. So here see only ones place. Which number is here at ones place? 2. We see that the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to 0. Between 0 and 10, the number 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to 0. And then number 6, 7, 8, 9 are nearer to 10. So we round them off as 10. What is about number 5? Number 5 is equidistance from both 0 and 10. So it is a common practice to round it off as 10. Let us see an example. Here in tens there is 1 0. So take only ones place. See here which number is on ones place? At ones place 2. 2 is nearer to 0. So when we rounding this number, the number will be round these numbers to the nearest tens, then the number will be 10, 30. That means 30. Next example, suppose 38. Here see at ones place 8. 8 is nearer to 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 is nearer to 10. So what is the round figure? Here put the 0 at ones place and 8 is nearer to 10. So add 1 in next figure. So the number is 40. Suppose here you have 45. Round this number to the nearest tens. Then see here digit at ones place is 5. We have seen here that 5 is equidistance from both 0 and 10. But it is a common practice to round off it off as 10. So we will write 0 instead of 5 as it is that we have done here, and then add 1 in 4, that means 50. But instead of 45, suppose here is 43. So first put 0 at ones place and see the digit at ones place. Here 3 is nearer to 0. So write the next digit as it is. Right? Once again see here digit at ones place is 2. So first write 0 at ones place and put the next digit as it is. But here in 38 the digit at ones place is 8, which is greater than 5. If the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then put 0 and then add 1 in the next digit. Right? So you can solve this type of question by this method. Now we will see about estimating to the nearest hundreds by rounding off. Suppose nearest hundreds. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros, right? Suppose take one number 843. In 843, see the 2 digit, because here in 100 2 zeros, so see the 2 digit, ones and tens digit. Here is the number 43. 43 is less than 50. Here we have seen 0 to 5 nearer to 0 to 4 nearer to 0, and 5 to 10 5 to 9, that means 6 to 9 nearer to 10. Now the same process here, 0 to 100, here 50. Less than 50 numbers are nearer to 0, and more than 50 or 50 nearer to 100. So here 43 is less than 50. So put 2 zeros instead of these ones and tens digit, and then put 8 as it is. Suppose 872. Here see the two numbers 72. 72 is greater than 50. So put 0 as we have put here, and then here 72 is greater than 50. So add one number in the next digit. So it is nearer to 900, right? Suppose take 4 digit number 9536. Here also see 2 digit 36. 36 is less than 50. So put 2 zeros as it is, and no change in the next digit. Write the next digits as it is. If there is 9678, here 78 is greater than 50. So put 2 zeros instead of these 2 digits, and add one number in the next digit. So your answer is 9700. Now do the same process for estimating to the nearest 1000. Thousands. How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. Here you can see 500, that means 3 digit. Now we will check by taking one example. Suppose 9870. First take these 3 digits, put 3 zeros instead of this 3 digit, because in thousands there are 3 zeros, so put 3 zeros. Now observe these 3 digits. 870. 870 is greater than 500. So add one number in the next digit. So your 9 plus 1, 10. So your answer is 10,000. Suppose 6414. Here observe these last 3 digit. This is less than 500. So put 3 zeros as it is, and then no change in the next digit. So write 6 as it is. right? Next, 5356. Sorry, 53,556. Here put 3 zeros. Now observe this last 3 digit. The number 556 is greater than 500, so add 1 in the next digit. So 3 plus 1 4, and this 5 as it is. So your answer is 54,000. One more, 3,499. Here put 3 zeros. $499 is less than 500, so no change in the next digit. So you can solve this type of questions in word problem also. See word problem in your textbook. Here estimate 5,290 plus 17,986. Here round up. Here is not given that round up to 1000 or 100, so you can round up by 1000 or you can round up it by 100 also. So here is the 4 digit number, so we will round off to 1000. So round off to 1000. The first 17,000, this is the greater digit number, so we will take it first. So 17,986 is round off to 1000. So ones, tens, 100. Put 3 zeros. Here 3 zeros because 1000 have 3 zero. So put 3 zeros, and now examine this 986 greater than 500. So add 1 in the next digit. So here 8, 7 plus 1 8, so 18,000. In 5,290 put 3 zeros instead of this 3 digit, and then examine 290 is less than 500, so no change in the next digit. So 5,000 as it is. These are the round of 2,000 numbers. These numbers are round of 2,000. Now add this number, so you will get the estimated sum. Here is the same in subtraction. What will you do? Here is the 4 digit number and here is the 3 digit number. So we and here we will do it. We can do it this sum by round off to 1000 or round off to 100 also. If we do it round off to 1000, then put 3 zeros instead of 3, last 3 digits, ones, tens and 100, and see 673 greater than 500, so add 1 in next digit, so 6,436, 3 numbers, so put 3 zeros, and we have no digit next, and also 436 is less than 500, so no change in the next digit. So the number you will get is 0. Now 6,000 minus 0 is equal to 6,000. You can do this by round off to 100 also. Here 563, 5673. Round off to 100, put 2 zeros instead of ones and tens place, and then see 73. See these two digits. 73 is greater than 50. So add 1 in the next digit. So 6 plus 1 7, and here 36. Put 2 zeros and see 36 is less than 50. So no change in the next digit. So write 4 as it is. Now subtract 400 from 5700. So you will get the estimated difference. By the same process, you can do multiplication product. One example. Suppose see example exercise 1.3. Here first example of question number 3, 578 multiplied by 161. Here we will round off to 100, so put 2 zeros instead of these two digits, and then see 78 is greater than 50. So add 1 in the next digit, multiply by, here first we will write round off to round off figure. So first here write 578 rounds off to 600, and then 161 rounds off to here 61. So put 00 and then see 61 greater than 50. So add 1 in the next digit. So it is 200. Right? Now multiply this. 0 second, put here 0, then put 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. So your answer is 1 lakh. So estimated production is equal to this. So you can do multiplication by this method, addition and subtraction by this method, and question number 2, here is the simplification, but here you have given that by rounding off to nearest hundreds, and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So do by both the method, by rounding off to nearest hundreds. First do these all sums, and then by rounding off to nearest tens you can do this sum. So try to do exercise 1.3 by yourself.